And we are live. I'll do our countdown first. And we are live.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Magandang buhay.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Ano pong napapansin nyo? Kompleto po ang mga Marias with Ate Evangeline. Great day. So, eto na naman po kami sa isa na naman pong episode ng Pinaypreneur Hustle Hub. And masaya po kami sa araw na to dahil ang topic po namin ngayon ay very timely para po makakuha kayo ng idea. Bakit nga ba kailangan nyo ng side hustle ngayong 2025? So pakinggan po natin yung mga expert na mga Pinaypreneurs. So bago kayo mag-proceed dito sa topic, please introduce yourself. And we'll start with, sinong una natin? Si Mary J.
Hello, hello. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga kung saan man kayo na naroon. My name is Mary J. Stewart, New Jersey, from New Jersey, USA, from Baguio City, Philippines. Kamusta kayo dyan? I am a mom of 2 athletes, a wife, and a full-time physical therapist, of course, a digital business owner. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, go ahead, Sis Mary J. Bakit ba kailangan natin ng side hustle ngayon 2025?
Ay, very perfect. Alam niyo naman, ang side hustle ngayon, kailangan na kailangan natin yan. Kasi dahil sa increase ng cost of living, di ba? From groceries to gas, housing, healthcare, everything has gone up. Yung sweldo, alanganin tayo dyan. Minsan hindi, minsan nababawasan, minsan wala. Okay, mostly almost the same. But paano naman yung mga basics? Minsan yung basics kulang na nga. Paano naman yung mga wants natin? Siyempre, we're not here just to live and just to live and work and just pay for the basics. Paano naman yung fun part ng life natin? So that's why more and more people are realizing that minsan one income is not enough. Sometimes, katulad ako dati, I have 3 jobs when I first started this business. Pero unti-unti naman, nababawasan. Not because you're working very hard, yung mayaman ka na. Tumataas din naman ang cost of living. Tapos at the same time, nababawasan yung oras mo sa sa pamilya mo, di ba? So yun ang expense ng pag-work harder and tapos hindi rin naman na susupplement yung income. So yun ang dahilan kung bakit may side hustle. So people aren't looking to get rich quick. They're just looking for stability. Minsan kasi yung employment natin, hindi naman talaga stable yan. Kahit na nasa gobyerno ka pa nagtatrabaho or sa private sectors, pwede kang matanggal sa trabaho. Just, alam niyo yun, just to put food on the table nang hindi ka nag-worry. O kaya magbayad ka ng utang mo or yung student loans mo. O kaya iniisip mo yung future ng children mo. O kaya kahit na konting cushions lang for emergencies or savings, kailangan din natin yon. O kaya mag-enjoy ng konti nang walang guilty feeling na may matatanggal sa budget mo. So yun ang beauty ng side hustle, especially on the digital space. It offers flexibility, low startup cost, and unlimited growth potential. It can also start as part-time and then grow it with you as you go along. Hindi mo kailangan umalis sa trabaho mo kung may trabaho ka. Ang digital business natin, it works around your very busy schedule. Just like us, we're moms and we're employees. So paminsan-minsan na if you catch yourself like scrolling on your social media, why not make those time to be more productive at saka mag-earn ka on those like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So yun, pag nag-hit ang inflation naman sa atin, yung job security natin nako-question. tumataas ang bilihin, minsan natatanggalan, nagbabawas ng ng sweldo. Yung second stream of income is not just a smart but it is also necessary. Kapag may side hustle ka, hindi ka basta-basta matitinag. Kahit na may financial storm, kahit na sino pang presidente ang dumating, may backup ka, may options ka. You have the choice. Kaya if you're listening right now and you're wondering if you would start a side hustle, this is your sign. It's not just to earn more, but also to build something for your own that gives you freedom, security, and peace of mind in an ever-changing world. Yan. Thank you so much. Sana may natutunan kayo sa akin. Maraming salamat po.
Maganda lahat yung sinabi mo, sis Mary J. Kasi yung financial pressure, parang ramdam yan ngayon ng buong mundo. Hindi lang dito sa North America and the US. Lalo na yung salitang inflation na yan. ever since the beginning of time, parang nandyan na, di ba? Parang hindi pinactor in yung mga bagay tulad ng yung mga anak, lalaki pa yan, mag-university. So, sapat ba yung itinaas ng sweldo mo to support their needs? O aasa lang ba tayo sa student loan? Parang hindi magandang thought na aasa lang ba tayo sa mga ganon. So, tama lahat ng sinabi mo. Kailangan talaga natin ng side hustle. So, thank you so much for sharing.
Yes.
Now, let's fly to Canada. Sis Mary Ann, introduce yourself muna.
Yes, hello po. Ako po si Mary Ann. I'm a mom. I'm a wife. Currently, I have a full-time job, which is a sales administrator, and of course, an online business mentor. So, and I'm currently in Canada and from Manila, Philippines. Kapwa Pinay, again. Kaya nga Pinay Brain Hustle Hub. So there, So, for me naman, yung desire for freedom and flexibility. Yan. So, absolutely, I believe having a side hustle is more important now, more than ever, especially right now, 2025. And I say that not just as someone who's into the digital business, but as someone who learned it the hard way. So during the pandemic, alam naman natin yun, I was one of the many who got laid off. And when that happened, honestly, I panicked. You know, I had a stable job, I was earning consistently, and I thought I was doing everything right. But in a snap, everything changed. I remember thinking, paano na to? May pamilya akong pinapakain. May mga bills. Paano kung matagal bago ako makabalik sa work? It was a scary wake-up call. But that no matter how stable you think your 9-to-5 is, wala talagang kasiguraduhan. That's when I realized, kailangan pala talaga ng plan B. Hindi lang basta-basta extra income, kundi yung something na flexible at pwedeng pagkatiwalaan in the long run. And that's what led me to start my digital side hustle. So in today's world, lalo na ngayon sa 2025, people are really craving for freedom and flexibility. The traditional 9-to-5 setup can be as rigid and draining. You clock in, you clock out, right? Commute, and then repeat. And that cycle can feel endless, especially if you're also a parent or a caregiver. Ang hirap mag-balance ng responsibilities sa bahay at sa trabaho kung para laging may hinahabol na oras, right? Kulang ang 24 hours, right? What I love about this digital side hustle is that it gave me control, right? I was looking for, I can work from home or kahit saan while waiting in the car for my kids, during my lunch break, or late at night, like right now, when the house is finally quiet and I get to decide when I work and how much effort I can give at my own pace. And so for me, the question is no longer, should I have a side hustle? It's, what if I didn't? Diba? Paano pag wala? Yeah, what if another crisis hits? What if life throws another curveball? Having this extra stream of income, this flexible setup, it's not just a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. So, and to anyone listening or watching this podcast with us, right, especially yung busy parents, hardworking professionals out there, if you're ever felt burnt out, boxed in, or just wishing for more for people and things that truly matter, maybe this is your sign. Give yourself permission to explore something new. Try nyo lang, malay nyo, this could be your answered prayer, just like it was for me. Thank you po.
Thank you, Sis Mary Ann. Maganda yung testimony mo talaga, lalo na yung pandemic, siya yung malaki at medyo masakit na wake-up call sa maraming tao. Pero yun din yung time na maraming tao yung nabuksan yung mindset nila about exploring other option outside of their 9 to 5. And ito talaga ang nabibigay kapag ikaw ang sarili mong boss. Desire for freedom and flexibility. Thank you, Miss Victoria. We have a viewer from Washington. And yeah, di ba? Ayan pa, flexibility. Hanggang Washington, nakakarating tayo. So, thank you, Sis Mary Ann, for sharing that. Now, we'll fly back to Vancouver, Canada. Ate Evangeline, the floor is yours.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in this Pinaypreneur Hustle Hub. So, andito ulit kami. Andito pala ako kasi mostly like I can't join them because of the busy schedule. Pero andito po ako ngayon, naka-join sa kanila. So, yes. Ano ba ang maibibigay ng side hustle para sa atin? Sa tingin ko, side hustle is a great source of income if you kapag ikaw ay naghahanap. But my topic really is, before I go to that thing, my topic is burnout sa trabaho. Yung what you call this? Burnout and lack of fulfillment at work, right? So, kayo na magsasabi kung hindi kayo nababurnout sa Kung hindi kayo nababurnout sa trabaho nyo, well, congratulations. But I think most of us, like, we are burnout, to tell you honestly, right? Like, every day you wake up on your alarm clock, go to work. Sometimes we hindi natin maiwasan na pagdating sa trabaho may mga consequences na dumarating, na may mga hindi natin maiwasang what you call this, problema. So, doon nagsisimula ang pagka-burnout. And also, mostly, most of the employer face the reality here. They don't appreciate us. There's no fulfillment. Right? Like, hindi nila nakikita yung hirap natin sa trabaho. Sometimes. Tapos, kung nalilay off ka, wala silang pakialam kung may mga bills ka na bayarin, basta ka na lang i-lay off. So, I think it's time for us to make a plan B. Hindi lang puro trabaho para magkaroon ng pambayad ng mga bills. Hindi tayo mabubuhay sa ganun. Kailangan natin ng ibang mapagkakakitaan para in the end, mayroon tayong mahuhugot at hindi tayo mag-worry. Maski mawalan tayo ng trabaho, andyan, may mahuhugot tayo. Also, like, getting burnout is a real deal from work.
Yeah.
And also, okay, you go to work, you come home, you're tired, you still have family to look after, especially me. I have a job, like I have a 12-hour shift almost every day, like 4 days a week. Come home, I still have my dad to take care. because I'm his caregiver. It's too much on my plate, right? So kailangan nating magkaroon ng side hustle para at least pag yung side hustle na yan is nag-take off, you can just, say bye-bye to your employer. Right? So this is the reality now because everything is so expensive. Our one-day job, hours like in the job, it doesn't support the 1 week expenses. Okay? So for those who are wondering there or like looking for a side hustle, we are here. This is for you who are looking for an extra income, even like a $500 in a month that helps you with your bills. So we are here. Whoever you are, whoever you wants to sign in, we are all the same. We are in the same community that can help you to start your business. So anyway, I didn't introduce my name at the beginning, so I will introduce my name in the end. So ako nga pala si Evangeline, tubong Bulinaw, Pangasinan, nakatira dito sa Canada na ngayon sa Vancouver for more than 20 years now. So I work in healthcare field. I am also a mom, caregiver to my dad, and of course, proud digital business owner. So that's all I can give you advice. So check our online business here.
Yes, thank you.
This is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to work hard as well because this is a business. It's not just an ordinary business that you can just like, okay, I use your present today, tomorrow you're not. You need to be consistent with this business. So we're here to help you. If you're looking for a side hustle, just message us. Okay, bye-bye for now. And you take care, everyone. God bless. Thank you.
Yes. Thanks, Ate Evangeline. Ang dami po nating napulot na gold nuggets doon, lalo na yung burnout na yan na sinasabi nila. I'm pretty sure, kapag sinabi mong di ka burnout, it's either you're not working or you're lying. Dalawa lang yan. Hindi, kasi totoo naman po, di ba? Lalo na, come to think of it, ang bottom line, kapag empleyado tayo, we're making the corporation rich. It's not our own. So, nasa sa kanila, paano nila gustong payamanin yung business, minsan at the expense of the employees. So, yun, dun natin nararanasan yung burnout. Lalo na invento nila yung word na hybrid. Ibig sabihin, mag-multitask ka, pero same yung pay mo. Talagang, di ba? Iba yung mundo kapag hindi ikaw yung boss. Pero pag ikaw ang boss ng sarili mong business, you can do whatever you want with your business and your effort will be well compensated. Yan po yung message namin dito. So, I think I'm next. Yes. Bakit kailangan mo ng digital side hustle ngayon 2025? Kasi uncertainty in your job security. Big advocate talaga ako nitong word na job security. Kasi 'di ba growing up, lalo na sa culture nating mga Pinoy, ang turo sa atin ni nanay at tatay, ni lolo at lola, mag-aral ng mabuti, mag-graduate ka para maging successful. Yun yung formula ng success. Aral, dream job, success. Hindi po yun ang totoong formula. Kasi hindi ka rin naman sure kung yung pinili mo bang course ay sustainable or maglalast ka ba doon. Tulad nga na nabanggit ni Ate Evangeline, hindi ka ba mababurn out? So uncertainty in job security, lalo na sa time ngayon, tumataas na yung bilang ng paggamit ng AI, artificial intelligence. So in the future, madami pong trabaho ang magiging obsolete because of AI. Dahil mas malaking tipid nga naman yon sa mga employers. Wala na yung mga physical laborers, papalitan na yan ng AI. Natatandaan ko nung kailangang i-service yung isa naming sasakyan. Sabi nung mekaniko namin, yun ang hindi ko makakalimutan. Sabi niya, Mary, I doubt it that this particular job as an auto mechanic will be here in the next future. So I don't know what I'll do. Sabi ko, I think you need to learn how to fix electric cars. Sabi niya, but I don't know computers. So, kailangan nag-e-evolve tayo kasi yung mundo nag-e-evolve. Feeling ko, ang mga careers na hindi madaling mapalitan is yung that requires personal touch. Like maybe sa nursing, yung mga doktor. Pero come to think of it, kahit yung mga doktor, they do their consultation online na. Hindi ka na pupunta dun sa office unless something really drastic needs to be checked. So, ganun na po ang world ngayon. Uncertain na yung one's job stability. Sabi ko nga, palagi kong binabanggit sa mga podcast ko din, all it takes is one injury, one change of management para biglang, oops, wala ka na. Or yung naranasan natin lahat, yun nga global pandemic. So, kailangan, wais na din tayo. Gawin yung stable source of your plan B, ang magkaroon kayo ng something that you call your own. Have a digital side hustle. At nandito po kami, tutulungan namin kayo. Yun po ang aming message sa inyo every time makikita nyo kami. Kasi pinagdaanan po namin lahat. Lahat ng doubts, lahat ng hindi namin kaya yan, wala kaming experience online. Pinagdaanan namin yan, pero heto po kami ngayon. And hindi man po expert na expert, I'm pretty sure marami po kaming maibibigay sa inyo na guidance para maging successful din kayo online. So, ako po si Mary Rose ng Vancouver, Canada, mom, a former banker, and a digital business owner na nagtatrabaho pa rin sa healthcare. Salamat po sa inyong time. Thank you. And we will move to Maria from Wisconsin, USA.
Wow, thank you sis. Hello, mga kababayan, mga Ilongga, mga Tagalog na taga Manila. Ako nga pala si Maria Rosbach, tubong Negros Island, Philippines. Doon po ako pinanganak. Isa po akong Ilongga at lumaki po ako sa Quezon City, Philippines. At ngayon nakatira na dito sa Wisconsin, USA for about mga 12 years na. So ako ay isang wife, isang farm mom, tita, at of course, isang proud digital entrepreneur. So talagang napakaganda ito. Isa sa mga pinakamagandang rason na mag-build ka ng legacy or impact. You know, desire to build a legacy or impact. Ito ay makukuha mo dito sa aming online business, lalo na pag ikaw ay isang mommy or kahit ikaw ay isang daddy. Kasi talagang pwede mo itong ipasa sa iyong mga anak. Ang legacy ng aming tinatawag na, nahulog yung pusa ko. Yung generational wealth na tinatawag. Nandito po yan sa aming online business. You can pass it on to your children up to 6th generation. At yun po ang pinakamaganda sa aming online business, ang legacy na tinatawag, generational wealth. So ang tanong ko sa inyo mga kababayan, no, lalo na yung mga mami, nararamdaman nyo ba na parang may mas malaki pa kayong layunin sa buhay na hindi lang para sa sarili nyo, kundi para sa mga susunod na generation, sa mga anak nyo, sa mga anak ng anak nyo na maipapasa nyo? So yan ang ibig sabihin ng legacy, mga kabayan, mga Ilongga, mga mommy or daddy na nanonood ngayon. Ang paglikha ng bagay na may saysay, na hindi lang panandalian. Ito lang hindi lang ito tungkol sa pera. Ito ay tungkol sa paggawa ng pagbabago na magtatagal. Isang bagay na maipagmamalaki mo sa pamilya. Ito yun, yung legacy na tinatawag. So, isang mensahe na magpapalakas ng loob ng iba dahil sa mga pinagdaanan mo at sa mga matututunan mo. At para sa iba naman, nagsimula lang sa simpleng side hustle. Pero ngayon, unti-unti na naging daan para mas malalim na layunin. So nakikita ko ang dami sa inyo na ginagamit ang mga talento, you share your own story, karanasan para magsilbi, no? Makatulong sa iba pang tao. So, magturo ng inyong mga talento o kung anumang talent na meron kayo at magbigay ng inspiration sa iba. Yan naman ang tinatawag na impact. Yan ang purpose. So, kami po, ganon. We share our story. Nagtuturo kami ng mga alam namin, apps and tools. So, nag-i-inspire kami sa inyong lahat na nanonood ngayon sa amin. So, yun po ang purpose namin, ay kami po ang daan na kung paano ninyo umpisahan ang isang side hustle na napakaganda, maraming benefits na isa na nga ito ay build a legacy or impact sa community. So, napakaganda po talaga ito para sa mga mommy at mga daddy na nanonood ngayon. So, yun ang tinatawag na legacy na talagang pwede nyong ipamana sa inyong mga anak up to 6th generation. Kaya tanungin mo ngayon ang iyong sarili, anong klase ng legacy ang gusto mong iwan, no, sa mga anak mo? At anong impact ang gusto mong gawin sa buhay ng ibang tao? So ayan, nandito tayo para maging inspiration, di ba? Para makatulong. Kasi ang online na business na ito, mga kabayan, hindi lang ito dahil para kumita kami ng pera. Nandito kami para makatulong pa sa mas maraming nangangailangan. Lalo na yung mga taong hirap na living paycheck to paycheck, na burnout na sa trabaho nila. 'Di ba? Ito talaga kami ang pathway. So kung gusto niyo talagang i-check, ang paano kami naging digital entrepreneur, at kung gusto niyo talagang magkaroon ng legacy na para ipasa niyo sa inyong mga anak, ito ang daan, kami ang daan para mapasok niyo itong online business na to, na talaga pong ay nakakapagbago ng buhay ng thousands of lives around the world. Kasi po global kami, ang aming community ay napakataas na rin po. Nasa 248,000 na kami tumataginting, and 200K tumataas na po yun every week. So talagang napakaganda po kasi nagtutulungan po talaga kami. Nagse-celebrate kami whether it's small or big wins. Talagang nagse-celebrate po kami. At kami po ay nagkakilala lang dito, and we are global. We are in different different parts of the world. So talagang napakaganda. So bukod po sa legacy, marami pa pong benefits ang inyong matututunan at makukuha dito, mga mami at daddy na nanonood ngayon. So kung kayo po ay hirap na sa time freedom para magkaroon ng family time, ito po ay napakagandang side hustle. At kung kayo naman po ay hirap na sa mga finances, ito po ang daan. Napakaganda po talagang online business na ito. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng talagang totoong side hustle na kami po ay tax registered, accredited po ang aming online business sa Better Bureau Business. So talagang ang aming company ay nasa 50 years old and above na. So talagang napakaganda po. Talagang totoo siya. So, at kami po ay totoong tao din na nag-share sa inyo ng aming story. Thank you so much. Back to you, Sis Mary Rose.
Thank you, Maria. Napakaganda po, di ba, na maipapamana mo up to 6th generation yung business. Hindi na yung, di ba noon, ano yung promise sa atin ng magulang natin? Anak, ang maipamamana ko lang sa'yo ay education. Ito, pwede talaga siyang i-pass on sa susunod na generation. At saka ang kagandahan, hindi na nila sisimulan from scratch. Kasi nagawa mo na na-build up mo na. So, bakit ka pa magtatanong? Ba't ka pa hihintay ng tamang panahon kung para sa iyo ba ang digital business? Actually, 5 points lang yung diniscuss namin. Ang dami pang benefits na pwede pa naming i-share sa inyo. So, kukunin namin yung opportunity na ma-provide sa inyo yung more benefits about this digital business by our free live webinar. Every Tuesday and Thursday po yan. Ayan po ang mga oras na nasa ibaba ng screen. Just check your local time. And we also can give you the link to the replay when you register. So, i-invite po namin kayo sa mga business pages namin Kung nakikita po ninyo ito ngayon, it's not an accident. It's a sign for you to give it a try, get the information, and then make that decision. Tulad po ng ginawa namin. And hindi na po kami lumingon pabalik kasi napakaganda po talaga ng digital business na to. So sa akin po, register at www.maryroseangeles.com with your name and your email address to get your personalized link. Okay, go ahead, Maria.
Hello mga kabayan. Ano pang hinihintay nyo mga mami at daddy at mga kababayan naming Pilipino OFW kung kayo man ay hirap na sa pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa para lang makapagpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas kasi tayo naman ay talagang napaka family-oriented people. Hindi natin talagang kaya na tayo lang ang nagpapakasarap ng buhay, nagpapakasarap sa kita natin, 'di ba? Talagang tumutulong tayo sa ating pamilya. Kung kayo po talagang hirap na sa isa, dalawa o tatlong trabaho, talagang ito pong side hustle na ito ay talagang makakatulong sa inyo. Tulad na na-discuss namin, napakaganda po kasi hindi nyo naman po kailangan talaga maging tech savvy. Hindi nyo kailangan ng marketing background, hindi nyo kailangan ng business background. Wala kaming inventory, no selling. Yun po ang talagang pinakamaganda kasi hindi nyo po kailangan magbenta. Kasi lahat naman po nagtatanong kung kailangan magbenta, so talagang hindi nyo po kailangan magbenta. So yun po ang napakaganda sa aming online business. So kami po ang pathway, ang daan para paano magsimula ng online business. I-visit nyo lang po ang aming link. Ang link ko po ay www.mariarosbachglobalbusiness.com at dun po mag-uumpisa kung paano nyo papanood ang aming free live webinar. Yun po ang start pa lang po yun pero talagang ma-inspire na kayo sa story. So ano pang hihintay nyo? Wag na po mapapahuli. Salamat po.
Thanks, Sis Maria. Go ahead, Mary J.
Ayan, marami pong salamat sa pakikinig sa amin. Kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng flexibility, low startup cost, and unlimited growth potential na side hustle, para hindi kayo mag-worry to put food on the table, to pay your credit cards, your student loans, your children's future, emergency fund, and you just need to, provide for the wants, not just for the needs. We're here to help you out. So side hustle, register your name and email, www.maryjstewart.com. And just what Maria said, this is a sign for you to join us. There's no perfect time. Just start now. Yan po.
Thanks, Mary J. Go ahead, Mary Ann.
Yes, so if there's one thing I've learned, it's that we don't have to wait for things to fall apart before we take action. We can start building something on the side, quietly, but consistently. And watch how it opens doors we never thought possible. So I always say faith without action is dead. So if you've been praying for a change, maybe it's time for you to take a small step. Small lang naman. Malay nyo, that small step will lead you to something big, like just what it did for us. So if you want to check it out, right, you can register your name or your email address to my website. That's www.maryantibayan.com. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mary Ann. Go ahead, Ate Evangeline.
Hello. Para po hindi na kayo ma-burnout at magkaroon ng fulfillment sa buhay at financial stability, join us. So you can register on my link, www.evangelinevc.com. At i-guide ko po namin kayo. Okay, thank you and God bless everyone.
Okay, thank you so much for joining and watching. We have Susan Beltran watching from Vancouver. Oh, neighbor.
Neighbor.
Thank you so much sa lahat po na sumusubaybay sa amin. Patuloy niyo po kaming subaybayan. And if you find this podcast valuable, don't be shy. Share it with your family and friends kasi baka naghahanap din sila ng information about digital side hustle. And if you have any topic in mind that you'd like for us to tackle, don't be shy again. Send those topics and we will see you in another 2 weeks. In 2 weeks for another Pinaypreneurs Hustle Hub. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye for now.
Bye.